Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one glass door back bar cooler. Okay, the brand on this unit is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Model for this unit is going to be the BB1 for this unit. Okay, now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure this unit out for you. We're going to give you the exterior measurements. We're also going to measure the inside for you. Okay, starting with the length here. You're looking at a total of 24 inches for the length, front to back. You'll be looking at a total of 20 inches. And the overall height for this item, you're going to be looking at 36 inches high, 3 feet. Okay, now the cooler does not have wheels, it just has legs installed to them. It's going to be a glass door, obviously, in the front. We have a lock on the top. You will be provided with keys, so if you have that option if you want to go ahead and lock the door as well. On the bottom, and we open up this lid here. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you the temperature control for this unit. It will be located on the bottom of this cooler. It does have a cover, so in order to open it, make sure that you go ahead and open it from one of the corners and just push it down like that. You'll be able to find the controller for this unit. Simply, this is where temperature is going to display once the unit is on and running. Also, you can set your temperature here if you want to go ahead and change the temperature for this cooler. I'm going to go ahead and open up this unit now, show you the inside. On the inside, we'll be able to locate on our fan on the very top. You also have a set of 2 shelves that will be provided for this unit. Okay, now inside measurements, front to back, you're looking at a total of 14 inches. Left to right, you're looking at 21 inches. On the overall height, it's going to be 29 inches of the overall height. Okay, so those are your measurements for this unit. Now, I want to go ahead and show you the back. On the back, you'll be able to locate your plug. Okay, it is a standard US plug. Also, we have a sticker here with more information regarding this back bar cooler. You have your certifications as well located on the sticker. You will also be able to find the model, the voltage. Voltage for the unit is 115 volts. So all that information is located on that back sticker for this unit. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration for this one glass door back bar cooler. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact model. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.